Okay, welcome back to the update of our construction here in the Philippines. So this is the roofing of the garage. So we finally found someone to finish the roofing. I'm going to show you the other side. Not this one first. See how they did with this one has gutter, and look at the dormer there. There's the little gutter, which is nice, pretty nice touch. And they're now working on the other side. The boys is bagging the rubble. So they're working now on the other side. The doormat. They're here now. We really like the outcome of the roofing that we picked, and the name of this specific style is the Balinese shape, and they're really made for a house that's close to the water, because it's rust free, earthquake free, and like they're a Miami-Dade something, whatever the wind, I forget how many winds, so they're a Miami-Dade thing. And here is the update of our fence. So there's 3 different colors in this. There's the mocha, we call it the winter white, and then beige. We pick up the beige because we have that color in our gutter and also with the soffit. So I pick up the mocha to pick up the color of the roofing. I kind of need it a little bit darker than that, but I have to check if I really have to change it. So here's the yard. This is the front yard here. That's gonna be my banda heaven in that area. I'm gonna put some banda here because it's more shaded in this area, and they like shaded places. So when you come to our property, it's been cleaned. Hi. This one also has flowers now, so you can tell our Bermuda is starting to grow. And I'm hoping next week I can work on the landscape. I already have a design on this one on what to do and not. So if you notice, it's looking better. And this side as well, the fencing. Our painter Larry already started to do the painting, and I was so amazed with this banana trees, because they really grow like lush. Because when we first come down here, these bananas are like, they're so thin. So now they're doing pretty good. So we're so excited to have a fruit in this one. So like I said, we cleaned the yard. It's Saturday, and then the boys just have to put this thing in a sack. these are natural stone here, and I'm not going to remove them. I just leave it as is, as part of the landscape. So here on the side, I'm going to show you the update. This here, this is the side. So he's starting to paint here, and it's up to here. We already have a ready pieces for the installation of the fence, and all we have to do is we just don't have to run out of time. So this here I need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to here, because I think on my previous video I showed that this part here, so from here this wall is going to be a bamboo. We're going to do it bamboo so that they can't see us on the other side, because this is going to be the kitchen. So I just want us to have a little bit of privacy here, like a privacy. So we only did it up to here. We started to clean up our mess here. If you notice, see, they put it, I told them to put it in a sack, and we're just gradually, you know, they use this for firewood, so I don't have a problem with that. It's getting better. Looks nice whenever it's painted. That's the bamboo I'm going to use for the fence here. So here, got my collection, our collection of plants. So they are just getting cleaned up. So there's my ladies that's doing the cleaning, and here's I replanted my girls, so they look better here. We have this collections of plants. I'm just going to put them here as of now. So, yep, it's getting in shape. We're excited. It's getting better and better. Hear that with that boat. So I'm going to show you again our view. It's 3:34 in the afternoon. It's pretty nice. Okay, and thank you to show you some updates. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless.